When you think of Hungarian food, you probably imagine rich stews, hearty meats, and of course that unmistakable red hue of paprika. And not many dishes capture the soul of Hungarian cooking as halaszlé, a spicy fisherman soup born on the banks of Danube and Tisza rivers. Today, we are in the city of Gyor and we are attending a Halaszle cooking festival where we will explore this dish and of course, give it a taste test. Join us.
Let's go.
Hungarian fisherman soup, or halaszlé, is more than just a hearty bowl of river fish and spice. It is a culinary tradition rooted deep in the Pannonian Plain, particularly along the Danube and Tisza rivers, where fishing has long been a way of life. Halaszlé is a humble dish prepared by the fishermen right on the banks of the river, using the day's catch. Typically it is carp, catfish or perch, and boiled over an open fire in bogrács or cauldron. It is known for its intense red color and bold flavor, a result of generous amount of paprika, the iconic spice that defines much of Hungarian cuisine. But paprika itself has a fascinating origin. It was introduced to the region by the Ottomans during their occupation of Hungary in the 16th and 17th centuries. The chili peppers they brought were gradually adopted and transformed into the sweet and spicy ground paprika we all know today. By the 18th century, it has become a staple of Hungarian cooking, not just halaszlé, but in classics like goulash or pörkölt. Today, halaszlé stands as a fiery symbol of Central European river life, a dish born of necessity, elevated by tradition, and kept alive by generations who value bold flavors and warm gatherings.
Okay, let's give it a taste test. So, as you can see, very rich color. Let's try the broth. Oh, yeah, very rich, fatty. Surprisingly not that spicy, but I think he didn't put enough paprika for us. And you can see there are big chunks of fish. So let's try that. Very tender, and you can taste the river.
Surprisingly, it's all for free, which is such a nice surprise. I tried once in my life and I wasn't really a big fan of it, but let's give it another try and see. Okay, first impression. So if you like fish, you will love halaszlé. It's very rich. It's given that is a fatty fish in there, but it's very delicious.
And it's a very simple dish. It's made with onions, fish, and paprika. So I think the simplicity of that dish is what makes it special. There's no fancy ingredients. It's just hearty, good old food. So the judges are going around and scoring the competitors. And we just been offered a little bit of palinka, so I'm never gonna say no to palinka, right?
It would be rude to say no. Never mind, I don't drink palinka, but he will.
I can drink for both.
Yes.
Köszönöm szépen.
Sárga barack.
Sárga barack, apricot.
Ez búta pálinka.
Egészségedre.
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 Jól igyál, kutya rendes.
Cheers. Oh,
Very good.
very good.
Can you taste apricot? Strong?
Strong. Strong but very good.
Let me smell it. Ooh. Yeah, I can smell apricot.
Fire, fire.
It's so pretty.
Jaj, jaj, jaj.
Gyönyörű.
Nagyon szépen megvan a paprikával.
Jó.
I have some more.
Okay, well, that was the what's the name of that dish again?
Halászlé.
Halaszle Festival. Yeah, it was very nice. We tried it and we liked it. So yeah, it was a good day out. Did you like it?
Yes, I did like it. And now, oh my god, drums. What's coming now? The best.
Kurti kolács.
Kurtus collage. A
Kurtus
chimney
collage.
cake, which is my absolute favorite.
So yeah, after all that food, we still have some room left for dessert. So let's go and find it. Well, we found it.
Cinnamon one.
Vanília.
Oh, jó,